They'll okay. Come south. Come south. Come south. Walk south. Walk south. Walk south. Walk south.
They're going to engage on the people in
Heal
the
for my
front.
front line. Heal for my front line. Heal my front line. Take GA. Take GA. Come south. On a ping. On a ping. On a ping. Hold. Ready. Ready. Look north. Look north. Look north east. Look north east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bed. Where the heck? Heal one. No. No. Come.
They're looking
Ready for
at me.
defensive. Not defensive. Not defensive. Not defensive. Not defensive. Not defensive. No.
Oh, that was fake. That was fake. That was fake, probably.
Come
Or
south.
not,
Come south.
they-
Come south. Come south. Come south. Come south. Taking
Yeah,
engage on me.
engage
Defensive.
me.
Not defensive. Not defensive. Not defensive. No. Okay. Reset now. Cooldowns. Reset your cooldowns. Reset your cooldowns. Reset your cooldowns. Reset cooldowns. Now walk. Okay. Look at me. 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 Northeast. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these two. 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 Almost. Okay. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Wait for my call for the this focal, please. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. They're gonna engage. They're gonna engage. Defensive on me. 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 Okay. Now reset your cooldowns. Jacket on me too, bruh. Where is the jacket? Okay. Walk in.
You can pass on out.
Walk in. Cooldowns. Okay. Look in the D tank. Shallow. D tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the D tank. Okay, come. Glance. Defensive now. Walk.
That was fake. That was fake.
Walk southeast. Walk southwest. Walk southwest now. Don't go southeast now. Come southwest. I changed direction. Sorry. Okay. Reset cooldown here.
Line is getting engaged down.
Okay. Front line. Keep my front line.
It's in the front as.
Alright. Look at the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the healer. Alright. Now come back. Come southwest. Defensive. Pot. Alright. Now reset your cooldowns on me. Reset it. Reset everything. Okay. Now look at south of the choke on the collar in 5, 4. Sorry. Hold. 3, in 2, in 1. Get ready. On the D-tank. Please. Nice. Okay. Now southwest. Everyone southwest. Defensive one. Nice. Now reset cooldowns. Reset immediately. Reset cooldowns.
You don't need to say that again and again.
Doesn't matter. Come here. Okay, we're looking east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. On me. Nice. Okay, come south. Occult south. Defense.
I need to.
He's salty. Okay, now reset cooldowns. Reset cooldowns on me. Heal my people. Okay, reset cooldowns.
Kill the mobs.
Kill the mobs. Hello, guys. Now look south. Look east. Sorry, look east. Keep looking east. Okay, east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on me. On the color. Alright. Defensive ready. Okay, walk southeast. Walk southwest. Occult through the choke. Through the choke. Occult. Now hold here and reset. Occult was lead. You weirdest, use your E to reset now. Defensive on the front. Okay, walk in now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the healer. Okay, come now. Come southwest. Come southwest and spread a little. Come southwest and keep walking. Do not stop. Qs and Ws on the guy inside you and do not stop. Keep walking. Reset jacket.
We are hitting a wall, Grammer. We are hitting a wall.
No, come southeast. Come south. Keep walking. Give me cooldowns. Okay, hold here. You see the choke down here? We see the choke here. We're gonna kite here, okay? Be ready on the collar in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the collar. Okay? Immediately kite to the choke. Southeast. Defensive now.
No, fake.
Just come southeast. And reset cooldowns on me. Jackets and everything.
Need some heals in the front.
Ready for the clump. They're gonna clump. They fail. Come in. Walk in. In 5, in 4. In front of us. Hold. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. In front of us. Inside us. Okay, come southeast now. Of the choke. of the choke, 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 of the choke. Go southeast. Go southeast.
Red
Keep going
2 months in
southeast.
the front. All the T-tanks are overextended.
Of the choke. Okay, guys, hold there. Reset cooldowns. They're looking. Defensive
Way
on the
too
front.
overextended.
Defensive on the front. Defensive on the front. Retag. Come back. Okay, walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the pick. Come. On me.
GA.
Come back. Occult southeast. Walk southeast. And reset on me. Now. Tanks, come back. We kiting. Come back, tanks. Come back. Okay, hold here.
Occult AFK.
Hold here. No, hold here. Walk up a bit. Okay, walk up a bit. Look at the carving here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Come back. Okay. Come back. Defensive on the front. Defensive on the field. Heal. Sorry, I forgot to cut directions. Okay, reset on cooldown on me. Kill them off.
We can push in.
Reset cooldowns on me. On me. Okay, come in. Walk in. Look in the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these two. Nice, good shit. Now come kite humidity south. Kite humidity southeast. Occult southeast. There's a portal inside you. Southeast. Occult. Okay, hold here. My D-tank is too overextended, bro. D-tank is too overextended. Okay, hold here. Hold. The call is looking. Okay, walk up now. Guys, inch up.
If everyone is going south, no.
Inch up. Look at the carving in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Defensive. Sorry, sir. Engage. I forgot. I misclick. Just come southeast. Okay, they're engaging the front line. Heal castle dead or what? Castle, you alive?
I'm alive.
Nice. Okay, walk in. Reset your cooldowns. Give me perma ready.
Yeah.
Perma ready. Look in front of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Okay, ready for defensive. Defensive now. Demons. Now walk in now. Reset your cooldowns. Jackets.
Ready.
Reset everything. Okay, walk in now. Look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry. North. Good shot. Come back now. I'm dyslexic. Demon. Way to scream, salty. Okay, hold here. Jack is on me. Jock is on me. We're playing kite, bro. We can't crawl. They'll kill us. Just check at me. Is it good now?
Collar's on us, by the way.
Yeah. Hold. Just ready? Okay, ready inside of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On north. Kill him. Nice. Come back now. Occult south. Hold. No attack.
Please, OC broke.
I think there's.
Yeah, OC broke.
No, if you guys have a double OC.
Double OC boys.
No, don't double OC anymore. Your gear is going to break even more. Dude, I heard someone break, and then I used it on the spot.
Mount.
It was like,
Wait, do you need 25 men?
no. It's
No.
free. Are they